Right. What's this?
Trumpet.
Trumpet. What's this?
Leaf.
Leaf. What's this?
Airplane.
What's this?
Flower.
What's this? Book. What's this?
Truck.
What's this?
Bubble.
What? Shovel. Oh, it was close enough. Okay, what's this?
Shirt.
What's this?
Bicycle.
Good job. Tring, tring. Bicycle. What's this? Tring, tring.
Larry.
Lauren?
Yeah.
What are these?
Tools.
Lauren toes. What's this?
Pets.
Pants. What's this?
Train.
Train. What's this?
Ring.
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 What's this?
Cut.
Kite. What's this?
Table.
What's this?
Boat.
Boat. What's this?
Shoe up.
Shoes appa? What's this?
Huh?
What's that?
Princess.
Princess? It's a doll.
Doll.
What's this?
Flower.
What's that?
Uh,
Dinglehopper.
for those of you who don't watch Little Mermaid every day, a dinglehopper is what they call the fork, which Ariel would brush her hair with. So Avery thinks forks are dinglehoppers.
What's this?
Sun.
Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun. Okay. What's this?
Book.
What? How is that a book? Spoon.
Spoon.
What's that?
Train.
No. Truck.
Truck.
Fire truck. What's that?
Cup.
Cup. What's that?
Sex.
What's that?
Train.
Truck. Do trains look like trucks? What's that?
Map.
What's that? What?
What was that, Avery?
What's that?
Cat.
Knife. We don't know knife. What's that?
Ball.
What's that?
Ice.
What's that? What's that?
Robot.
Robot.
You know, robot but not knife?
Apple.
Yes?
Like robot.
You know robot?
Because Nick Jr., there's a robot dance segment. What's this?
Yeah, good luck with this one.
Xylophone. What happened?
Avery, good job.
Good
Good job.
job.
Clap.
Yay.
Good job. Clap, clap, clap.
Should we do alphabet?
Yeah.
Avery, can you say bye-bye, everybody? Say good job, everybody.
Turtle.
Oh.
What's that?
Chick.
A what? A what?
Chick.
Chicken. What's that? Okay, we're done. Bye.
I think we passed her attention span.
Attention, yeah.
All right, hey.
What's this? What's that?
Dog.
Dog. Okay, bye. Are you pooping there, Lauren?
I think Lauren's making poopy sounds.
Hey, lady.
Don't work too hard, sweetie.
Bye.
Bye.
Emma.
Nice tiara.